Hi guys, and today we went to Burger King and we got the ghost pepper chicken nuggets. So we're gonna be eating them today.
Ghost pepper chicken nugget challenge. You got your water? I'm doing mine without water.
3, 2, 1. Not hot at all. Oh. Now they're getting hotter. I need water.
Did it?
We did it. So that's it for. Oh! It's actually not that spicy. It's not like a legit ghost pepper, but doesn't taste, but then it gets hot in your throat.
Are you filming or no?
Yeah, we are.
Washing it down. Brought to you by Olipop.
Oh, that helps so much. That's it for today, and see ya.